Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell from the title, we are doing a relaxer retouch today. This is my mommy. She is relaxed, been relaxed my whole life, has no interest in going natural. Now I do have 3 other relaxer videos on my channel. Be sure to check those out. They will be linked below. 2 of them were done on my sister. She is now natural, which I'm not team relaxer or team natural. I'm team healthy hair, so I don't care whatever anyone chooses to do. But with my sister, her hair was constantly breaking off, so I'm like, you might as well leave that crack alone. And she finally did. Y'all, me and my sister are different. She didn't already wear her little curly afro. I'd be like, no. Even with the length that my hair is now, curly is still a good length. And I'd be like, no ma'am. But back to this relaxer, I always start in the back. I separate the hair in 4 sections, and I try to be as fast as possible because if you watch any of my other relaxer videos, I always say that relaxers have to be on and off within a certain time. That's the application and smoothing has to be on and off within a certain time depending on the hair texture. So I don't be having no time to waste. And I always follow up, well, you have to use a neutralizing shampoo when doing a relaxer. So I always shampoo with a neutralizing shampoo at least 3 times. You'll see in a minute, but I also use Olaplex. I use Olaplex. After that, I use Olaplex for every chemical service. And then after I use the Olaplex, I go in and shampoo with either a moisturizing shampoo or a like reconstructor shampoo, since I did do a chemical. And then I do a deep condition. I use this leave-in anytime I do a chemical service. I've always used that leave-in anytime I do chemical service, and I always do Olaplex if I do a chemical service or if I'm doing a flat iron. So that is it, guys. Quick, easy video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And TTYO.